That increment has taken a U-turn as the Minister of Finance has now proposed a new plan to proceed with the increase. The minister proposed the reduction of 370 SRD grant. The SRD grant was introduced during the COVID-19 pandemic to provide some relief to those. This has left beneficiaries reeling as they relied on the grant. MK Party, amongst other parties, are calling for the cancellation of the VAT increase.
Focus on increasing social spending. They must focus on ensuring access to free quality education and healthcare. For us as the MK Party, we demand the above, and we are saying immediate cancellation of this VAT increase must happen without any further delay.
The introduction of SRD came during the COVID-19 pandemic to assist those who were working during the hard times. This will cut deep to the beneficiaries of SRD. Lisom Dutyane believes that this will assist the country to overcome its financial woes as SRD beneficiaries, some are using the money to buy other stuff, such as drugs and alcohol, not what it intended to do.
The VAT increase, we believe, should not be one of the options on the table. And one of the primary reasons for that is because there are better options on the table that would be unlikely to generate as much inequality, that would be unlikely to lower the ability of consumers to spend as a VAT increase would. And so one of the kind of biggest flaws, or one of the biggest sleights of hands that we see the National Treasury doing is to try and say it's VAT or nothing, when in fact we see there are many revenue-raising options that are available on the table.
Lisom Dutyane believes that this will assist the country to overcome its financial woes as SRD beneficiaries, some are using the money to buy other stuff, such as drugs and alcohol, not what it intended to do.
It's going to allow more items to be added to the basket of goods that are exempted from tax, and it's also gonna reduce the cost, might I say, of other items. And on the thing of 350s being scrapped, I'm saying they must scrap that. These 350s are causing us problems on the ground level. People from the upper level might see it as if like it's working, as it seems like people are buying toiletries and goods and other items, but then on the ground level, these people are using this money for the wrong things.
The VAT increase has sparked widespread concern among citizens who fear that the added expense will further strain their already tight budgets, highlighting the need for government to consider the human impact of its fiscal policies. Nelisa Mqina, TT News, the social